The modification of the sampling can actually modify the images. In the sense that if I create an image with this type of seed, I make an image only and say no, now let's go to the fast. So he goes to Euler. I tell him generate. He encodes a single image. Here show more etc. shows me all the information. If I go to modify the sampling, it is easy for him to modify the image. Here we have the sample that is not identical. In the sense that if I go to visualize this image and this image, here we do not have the track. Here instead we have the track. So the sampling can obviously modify the type of image. And the skip can generate other types of images, even if we always remain with the same types of settings, and therefore, as you can see, it is as if the seed has jumped a bit. This is to understand how he works. If I go to increase the sampling, so the steps, I tell him how he does it, he has 50 steps instead of a more balanced mode. By the way, he could put a little more time, but not much. And here too, increasing the sampling, we have inserted a variable and he makes me another type of image. So remember these modes. Precise as regards the text, then the text prompt. We have gone from 7 to 10. So we are going to modify the precision for the AI. To go and identify this text prompt, we make another type of generation. And here too, going to modify it as he has to interpret the text prompt, he actually modifies the generation of the images. This means that if I give him a very high precision, he will also modify the image. Compared to what we have done previously. I remind you that all these images are images that can be downloaded. Remix, copy. Save image with name. Obviously he saves the image with the name.